and delicious dinner recipe has only 7 ingredients. There's a 10-minute prep time and a 25-minute cook time. For this recipe, you will need 1 can of tuna, drained and flaked, 1.5 cups cooked rice, 1 can condensed cream of mushroom, half a cup of 2% milk, 1/4 cup of minced fresh parsley, 3/4 crushed corn flakes, and 2 tablespoons of butter melted. In a large bowl, combine tuna, cooked rice, cream of mushroom soup, milk and fresh parsley. Combine the cornflake crumbs and butter. Sprinkle over the top. Bake uncovered at 350 for 25 to 30 minutes or until bubbly. Add half a plate of green-colored non-starchy vegetables. When adding to your diabetes plate, it's not always going to look the same. For example, tuna is your protein and rice is your carbohydrate. As a reminder, a diabetes meal plan includes mainly your carbs, protein, and non-starchy vegetables. This allows for better post-meal blood sugar levels. For more individualized guidance, we suggest meeting with a dietitian or diabetes educator.